Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be cleaning our master bedroom and bathroom. It has been a really busy week around here and I have just neglected these areas, but I really want to get them done before we go to bed tonight. That way I can just relax, and I always sleep so much better when the room is clean. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really.
I'm just going to start by hanging these clothes. That way I can go ahead and make the bed.
Trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned. My only way to you is gone, the tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies.
Anytime I'm cleaning our room, I like to make the bed first. It just always seems like the room is so much cleaner when you start by making the bed. Let me know in the comments if you like to make your bed first before you do anything else, or if you like to get everything else done before you make the bed.
Hold back my thoughts, but deep inside I feel just like an astronaut. I was in the corner of my mind, got trapped inside. I forgot to look beyond, I see the other side. Show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies.
I had some clothes that I had folded earlier in the week that I just left on the dresser. I'm so bad about doing this, but I need to go ahead and get those put away. I also had some hairspray and stuff where I was getting ready that I was also going to go put in the bathroom.
Wrong, now that's an understatement.
I needed to quickly dust our dresser and our nightstands, so I'm just taking the Mrs. Meyer's lavender spray and a microfiber cloth to wipe everything down.
I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
Since I was cleaning our room in the evening, I wanted to use the lavender scent. That way when we go to bed, it's really relaxing. And my husband also really loves this scent. Let me know in the comments, have you tried the lavender and do you enjoy it? Or what is your favorite Mrs. Meyer's scent?
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you, 'cause it will ricochet.
To start off in the bathroom, I just wanted to go ahead and gather any of the laundry. That way it is out of my way before I move on to the countertop.
Come back to you. 'Cause I don't care about you anymore.
I told you guys it had been a really busy week and I had definitely neglected the bathroom. There was so much stuff on the countertops, but I wanted to go ahead and get that put away. That way it was cleaned off for the next day.
And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. 'Cause I don't care about you anymore, so you can't hurt me like you did before. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you try.
For the sinks, I'm using the Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Shower Foamer. I really love the way this stuff cleans the sinks. And then for the mirror, I'm using some Windex with my eCloth polishing cloth.
Not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. Not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet. Oh, like a ricochet. Oh, it's like a ricochet.
Now I'm just going to go ahead and wet my eCloth and squeeze out any excess water. That way I can go ahead and wipe down the countertops.
Who am I to say we tried our best? Who am I to say we kept ignoring all our promises? Who am I to say there's nothing left? Who am I to look down? Who am I to say you won the war, when all I did was fight so hard I forgot what I was fighting for? Who am I to save us breaking down? Who am I to turn around? Maybe someday I'll wait for it. Someday I'll look past all the reasons and wrong turns I took. Someday I'll fight for it better than I fought for you. Who are you to say you changed your mind? You've known it since the winter fell and you've just been biding your time. I won't ask no questions, I'll back down, 'cause I got time and I ain't wasting mine. Maybe someday I'll wait for it. Someday I'll look past all the reasons and wrong turns I took. Someday I'll fight for it better than I fought for you. 'Cause I fought for you. Say we tried our best. Who am I to say we kept ignoring all our promises? Who am I to say there's nothing left? Who am I to look down?
The last thing I'm going to do is spray the room down with the Mrs. Meyer's room freshener in the lavender scent.
Past all the reasons and wrong turns I took, someday I'll fight for it better than I fought for you. Better than I fought for you.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope it motivated you to clean your bedroom and bathroom. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please hit that little red subscribe button. I would love to have you join this amazing little community here on YouTube, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.